Good morning YouTube, welcome to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you've had a fantastic Christmas and a good break, guys. Happy New Year 2023. Hope it's a good one. Here we are, Johnny's Garden Maintenance. We're back at it. So what have we got for you today? Follow me.
So guys, we're going to be doing a job on this hedgerow here. There's about 5 different varieties of hedging in here. There's some oleander, there's some holly. Most of it is covered in ivy. As you can see here, there's some ash trees growing out of the hedge as well, so that could be a bit of a problem, but we'll see. Also today we're going to be hitting this African boxwood hedge. As you can see here, it needs a good haircut. We're going to hit it at the sides and hit it at the top. Tools for today, folks, as usual.
So sit back, relax, hope you enjoy. Have a good Christmas.
Good Christmas, still lots eating, so I have a few pounds to lose in the
Glad to be back at it.
Glad to be back at it, new year, new hedge, so...
New man.
Yeah, same way.
Happy days, buddy. So we've an African boxwood.
African boxwood, The problem was here is, do we tickle the hedge, or do we get stuck in it? And we have talked about doing the maintenance throughout the year for this property here. So the problem with this hedge, as it grows like this, grew right out like this. And really we wanted A-shaped, so we wanted coming in like this. This was right over bevel. So it does look a bit rough now, but I really had to pick it in hard there to try and create the bevel that we want in the future.
Yeah, with 3 or 4 different species in here, Neil.
We have a lot in here, and that's a problem. It's pushing it all out.
Go ahead, point them out.
So you can see we've got the willow here.
Yeah.
We've got ivy coming through.
Beech.
We've got 2 beeches, and we've got
some holly.
Right. So the problem with that is they're all growing up for the top of this, next to the fence, and they've pushed all this right out over. So this was ballooned right out about a good foot and a half from the other part of the hedge. So it was a big, massive bulge.
Yes.
So we could have tickled it, kept a green on it, but it would have been no good because the hedge would never have been properly fixed.
Hey, you want to put your own stamp on it, Neil, as a gardener?
Yeah.
We don't want to come onto this property and just anybody could come in and trim this hedge, basically, Neil.
You could just give it a quick, and then when we're coming in, then it is just a wee trim, but it's trimmed and it's shaped nicely.
Yes.
Because this was just left. It wasn't looked after, it wasn't well maintained, and then as a result, the shape's all wrong, the bevel on it's all wrong.
I'll just give them a wee look here, Neil, at the... So that line's not bad.
Curve in around as well. So we're going to have to taper this in a little bit more, take a bit more off this, and then take another wee bit off that. So slowly but surely we'll get in, but that part really needed hammered in because it was way out. So we've taken that in now, and it'll thicken up and grow, and then as a year, 2 years, 18 months, 24 months down the line, we'll have finally we'll get what we want.
Neil, we're not worried about these brown spots here.
No, definitely not.
Because if you look on here, look at that boxwood. That's new growth.
Yeah.
This stuff grows fast.
So we
want to cut it back hard.
No, we're definitely not.
Because we know that's growing back.
This
isn't all we're doing now is getting more line.
We're getting the line in. Well, slowly getting the line in. Obviously, it's going to take a bit more work and a few more cuts to really get the shape we're after in. But we asked ourselves the question today: will we tick it hard or will we tickle it? So the answer was we tick it hard. You want something cut, hey?
Exactly.
Let them know it's been cut. Like you can explain this to the customer and all, but there's no point. Come summertime, that'll all be growing out too. They'll see, and then they'll go, right, they did do a good job there.
You know what we'll do? Maybe we'll do a revisiting video on this hedge.
Oh, absolutely.
Come the summer.
Absolutely.
Just to see the growth on it.
Oh, there'll be a lot of growth on this. A lot of growth on it.
Happy days, buddy. Chat you in a bit.
Okay, Harsh.
a good cut.
There's no growth there. The top's not great yet because you know all the brambles that are coming up on through it. You know what I got there? I just have to go at it and go at it and go at it. How are you going to get your line on here?
Follow me, Neil. So I'm just going to look at the middle of the hedge.
Yeah.
And here I can see it going done. So I'm just going to hit my line here in the middle. Do a straight line. Very simple.
So always from the middle, Johnny?
Always from the middle, I take it, Neil, because when you stand back, for instance, here, and look at the hedge, you can get a good line.
Yeah.
And that's what I
so that
always
will
do.
be the lowest level of the hedge anyway. So.
Exactly. So that's the way I have always done it. So I keep doing it, and it turns out alright. So it's pretty simple.
Fucking there. Fucking there, Johnny.
Hey.
Fucking there. Well, you can see exactly where you started in the middle.
how easy it is to get your line.
Well, you make it look easy. It's not necessarily easy because I'm still playing at this one here. My line's about 4 inches up here, so I have to take this off. Try straighten this out here. You see, this is a starter on top of me. And you've got a guy who's been doing it 20 plus years. Much of it easy.
I just want to show you this wee beauty here. Look at that. A little bit of summer in the winter time. This is called winter jasmine, and it's Chinese. Chinese people say it's the flower that introduces spring. Look at it, it's absolutely lovely. Stuck in between this concoction of hedging. Winter jasmine, absolutely stunning, folks. Day back, Neil.
Stay back. Get started.
Happy days, good job.
Good job, hey, but again, you know, hedges aren't maintained on a regular basis. When you're going on to do hedges like that, you're passing on that one to the not there, like it's tidy. It is like it's as tidy as anybody could get it.
Exactly. Nice job on the African boxwood. Turned out well.
Yeah.
This concoction over here, not happy with it. It's just rough, but
And it's deep. It's very deep as well.
it's rough but wide at the top, so
It's ridiculously deep.
no work cut out there. But guys, thanks for watching. Listen, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Hit us up with any comments, guys, we really appreciate it. So until the next time, keep it lit.